a little glass dish in the microwave.
Got it.
I close the door.
Which door?
The door to the microwave! What is wrong with you? You follow all the rules when you're a studious guy.
Step one.
Insert the packet, set the power to high. Cook for 1.5 minutes to 2.5 minutes.
Kind of a wide range.
Trying to make microwave popcorn in a